Hey everybody, Jim with Racers and Rods back here again. We're at Bradenton Performance Supply today for their second annual car show. We're out here in Lakewood Ranch. We're inside where it's nice and cool. It's 9,000 degrees outside, so we don't want to be out there. Been catching a lot of the cars coming in, and it's Celebrity Day here. We had a picture with get a little shot here, and Mr. Sam is here today with his badass Supra. So you'll get to see that here in a little bit. Stay tuned. We'll catch you soon. Is it a Citron? Is it, what year is it? 82. What model is it? CX. Hey, Jim's out here with Racers and Rods. We're at Bradenton Performance Supply. We're here for the car show. It's a celebrity show. We got Mr. Sam here with us. He's got his ultra clean, badass Supra here with him today. We're gonna get some shots of that. Sam, what do you think?
Well, I tell you what, it's a beautiful day out here. For those that aren't here yet, come on out here.
Absolutely.
It's a little Florida sun, but it's not gonna.
A little hot, but you can go inside. You can go inside. Yeah, I can lose some pounds, so that's cool.
There's this one room in there. They say it's 60 degrees. So
I've been in it. I've been in it.
Okay.
It's up front.
Great.
So catch the rest of the video. We appreciate Sam for being here. Thank you. All right. Anywhere you want, I agree.
Hey guys, this is Jordan from Bradenton Performance Supply. You're watching Racers and Rods.